how to build a shotgun. So this is gonna be a simple one. Just need to maybe just like this guy. Sorry, plane, you're not gonna be in the game, but I am gonna be in the game with a player. So we've got player. Somebody plays. So yeah, I'm gonna make an MP4 just like this. Like I'm gonna make a MP4 like. MP4 doesn't involve me a lot. I mean, like I need this. So let's make one. So we have some Lego over here. Alright, I sold that Lego. So like we will need 4 of these. This is gonna be something else because we just need to take out this Lego. Big mess. Mess, bro. How messy are you breaking? Like, bro, what? You know, it's crazy. What did he say, guys? What did you say? Like, what was he's like, lempar.
Nggak lempar ya.
Like, don't not like gold, so I'm gonna make one. Like I'm gonna make this. So like, I'm gonna do like this, like this, yeah. But you need one of these to put one right over here. Yes. Actually, we're gonna put one of these, put right over here. Why do we put it right over here? Like this. Okay. That's a good start. So we're gonna put one piece like this. So like this, I'm gonna make it a bigger one. Like I'm gonna put 3 of these. I'm gonna copy it. So like I make it the flowers. But yeah. This could be like a lot of fun. Yes. This might be like, bruh, those like 25 billion animation. Like I need 3 of these. So like, okay, I'm gonna stop for a minute. So like every second you play, it got 3 Robux. Actually 1 billion Robux. I'm gonna get 10 billion Robux. 1 trillion is for the hacker player. Because I don't know who is it. You're not hacker. You're just a pro. Like you're just a pro. I love you all because already like videos and videos. I'm gonna make it to a bigger shotgun. Just like the MP4 because that's fully I build. That's what it looks like. So like we build the shots, but we're gonna make a big one. Like this, you build like this. Okay. I'm gonna go put like this. More of these. Like it's gonna be every second. Like what? You still have more Lego right over there. Every second, bruh. It gets like more crazier every second. I like this. So we're gonna need too many of these. Then I'm gonna turn it to the big shotgun. The shotgun will be like a serious deal. I'm too many talking right now. You can see right now. because you can do it. Anyway, the airplane, next time I'm gonna make how to build a airplane tutorial build, because I don't know how to build 3 or 1, no, maybe 3. 3, that's enough. Like Lego doesn't charge me about anything. So that's the challenge next time. So now we're gonna make the shots. We'll make one, like, yeah, like every second, bruh, every second. Like it doesn't work and it goes like this, right? But I'm gonna put one piece. This guy can do any color. I'm just gonna do with the rainbow ones because you can do any color. I'm just gonna make a rainbow one, so it only works. High color doesn't care. Who needs 7 stars? Just get 10 stars. I don't know why I say that. I'm gonna make like shotgun. No. Shooting some people. I'm just trying to prepare, and this is a great start. It's a great end. So like, yeah. Who cares? Like, I'm not done. Please. I have 2 of these. So like, if it's 2 of them. If you want to build the ammo, just ready. Just put these, and you're done. Literally, this is the ammo. First ammo ever. Like, you imagine if you do like this. That would be a great idea because you're playing Free Fire right now. POV, when POV plays Free Fire or Fortnite. Okay, today we're gonna headshot one. So we're gonna go with the popular one and the oldest. Okay. Today we're playing Free Fire and we're gonna shoot somebody. Boom, 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 boom. Ah! Okay, and then the latest is still coming over, but this is what happens if I submerge it to level 2, like so. This, what is this? That's not easy. It's not like easy, I guess. Easy tutorial. This is what it looks like. It's more like it's upgraded. I don't know why I choose the upgraded one. So like, this is what happens in episode 2 when you're pro. Okay, now we're gonna shoot someone. Boom, boom, dead. Okay, get ready for your fuse, please. Look. Wait, no, that's a dead person. Okay, that's like the part 2. That's like the part 2 what it looks like. So I'm gonna end this video too. Peace.